traders, welcome to the TMT stock market strategy video for Monday, December 21st. Boy, I tell you, an ugly 2 days of trading, Thursday and Friday. You can see here, I'm going to go over specifically just the main indexes today. Here's a do or die situation here, guys. If we don't rally today and hold up this M formation, and if those of you who have followed me, you're going to see that we had two patterns, and all week we've been saying, okay, here's the M formation, as you can see here. Here's the neckline right here, and we said, okay, this also could act as a bull flag, which does look like a bull flag. Now, we did pierce the lower part of it, ever so slightly. You can see here like that. It's going to need to get back into this flag pattern to validate this and make this hold. But you could see two nasty days of trading. Everybody's asking, is the Santa Claus rally intact? What's happening? Well, we need a catalyst, and we need some sort of calm in the marketplace. And what's happening here just doesn't look right. And I've been saying that for weeks and weeks on end. And I do feel that there'll probably be a decent-sized sell-off in 2016 where markets will finally correct. At the moment, let's just take a look at what we have here. Do we get the Santa Claus rally? I have no idea yet, guys, but I will tell you, caution, caution, caution. You need to use caution here in the next several days. Liquidity will be light going into this week, so you have to be careful, okay? We have a half a day on Thursday. We're off on Friday, and every day gets closer to the holiday. We're going to have less and less traders that are going to be participating in the marketplace, so just be very careful here. All right, so here is that area where we're going to need to hold here, right here. This has to come back up. We have to get this price level back up to this area. Otherwise, we could continue our sell-off here, and everything from October pretty much be we'll get that give back all of the gains here. So, not looking pretty, and I do think that this is looking more and more shaping up to an M formation. And again, we have to get price today to come back into this lower trend line of this bull flag, if you will. All right. Next, let's take a look at the IWM, which is the Russell. Here's that M formation that I drew out for you guys. Here's the neckline. We broke that neckline on Friday miserably, and now we're going to probably end up testing this area, and then of course the lows of September and the lows of October. Now, Russell generally rallies during this time of year, and it has not done so all year. So this is not a good sign that the Russell can't rally. Do we get a reprieve rally a little bit? Maybe we get a little bounce back up again. We'll probably more than likely be an ideal short candidate, short situation back again when we rally into these moving averages. So again, very ugly picture here in the Russell 2000. Transports, what can you say? Just a nasty looking chart. There's nothing good about this chart at all. Two big down days, and again, here's the August low, August 24th low, and more than likely, guys, it will test this and challenge this. And I don't know, to be quite honest with you, what kind of a catalyst we're gonna have that's gonna get our Santa Claus rally back in track here. Other than maybe an oversold situation where the markets just gyrate to the upside. Remember, thin to win. That's definitely the case, and what I mean by that is when there's less markets, that less traders around, pending no shock situation, no news coming out, markets generally gravitate to the upside. So that could happen this week if we get some normalcy in the markets here. Take a look at the diamonds. M pattern again. You can see I drew that out for you, broke the neckline. So we have bearish patterns here, and we do have a couple of bullish patterns, but they're looking more and more likely that these M formations will trigger. Okay, and lastly is the Qs here. So you got to be very careful here. And again, another M formation. You could see that, and we're sitting right on that neckline. And if we start losing some of the leaderships, such as the Amazons, the Googles, the Facebooks, you're going to see technology start to really roll over, and the Qs as well, which is heavily weighted on just about 8 or 10 big players in this index. So don't get fooled here. Be very, very careful. And also, we're going to be keeping an eye on oil and gold, and of course the dollar. So just keep that in mind going into this week. It's going to be a shortened week, so let's not. If you have to take a step off to the side a little bit, you're probably better off doing so. Okay. Well, let's see what happens today. Remember, guys, we need to get back into those flag patterns today. Otherwise, the markets will be in big trouble this week. Have a great day. We'll speak to you tomorrow. Take